Hello, my BL lovers. This is the English explanation and summary of the episode 2 of the series Last Twilight. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Mock came to Day's house for his first day at work. Day's mom gave him several instructions. According to Day's mom, Mock's sole job is to take care of Day's safety and serve him food. All this seems quite easy to him. She is not confident enough of Mock. Mock brings breakfast for Day, but Day was asleep. He looks around the room. The room was quite messy, but as well it was full of Day's trophies and pictures depicting Day's love for his game. Mock cleaned the room for Day, but he was not satisfied and threw Mock out of his room. Next day, as Mock was looking for a way to get inside, as no one was there to open the door, he encounters with Aeon. He told him that the key is under the pot. He was there to meet Day and was from the Blind Society. Day and him were friends and they shut the door on Mock's face when he interrupted. As they were talking, Aeon asked Day to have patience to adjust to someone who doesn't have visual impairment. Aeon talks to Mock also. Mock was surprised how is Aeon so cool and on the other hand Day is so cold. Aeon tells him that it is not easy for Day as he is not afraid of tripping, he is afraid of what people might think of him. This reminds Mock of his days of judgment by people. Day was putting his eye drops but it slipped from his hand. He tried to find but was unable to find it. So finally he needed to call Mock for the help. As Day had smelled the cigarette from Mock's clothes earlier, so he took off his shirt before going to him. Day asks him to find the eye drops. Mock found it. As Day poured it in his eyes, he immediately looks towards the fish tank to see the fishes. He tells Mock that right after putting the drops, for 10 seconds he can see the most clear in the entire day, and this is the happiest time of the day for him. Next day, as Mock brings breakfast for Day, he asks him to eat out as the weather is nice. But as Day was kicking him out, Mock saw that the fishes in the fish tank were about to die. Day asks him to help. Mock helps him to clean the fish tank. Day smells jasmine flowers around and as he asks Mock about it, Mock brings the flower to him. Day is so satisfied smelling and feeling the flower. Mock was curious about how is Day's vision and finds it is about one span. Finally, Mock manages to bring Day out of his room to eat. They were watching movie in the hall, but as they were enjoying, Night comes with his friends. Day gets nervous and made a hassle. Night was worried and asked Mock for help. Day locks himself up in the room. Mock tries to console, but all was in vain, as Day said that no one can understand him as they are not in his shoes. Mock was about to give up, but as he left, he remembered how his sister gave up his life. He was worried about Day and forcefully broke open the door. Day was taking a bath. He got angry, although Mock told him that he did it because he was worried about Day, but Day fired him. Porjai came to meet Day. Mock has sent him slippers of goldfish shape and color. He remembered that Day got hurt when he came out of his room and he is worried about him. Day asks Porjai to take him to Mock. As Day has said him that no one is in his shoes, so no one would understand him. So here is our Mock, who is trying in his own way to understand and feel the pain of Day. He apologizes Day to say he understands when he couldn't. Day is happy to see his efforts and takes him back. They bought a new fish for the fish tank for the only one to have the company, and this time, after putting the eye drops, Day is interested to see Mock. The liking has just begun. So guys, if you liked the video, please watch for the next episode. That is episode 3. Thank you.